So the beauty of this cart is how quickly it transforms from a hand truck to a work table. So my combination outfeed table closes using magnets. I have a finger pull. This comes up through the table. Then I have an adjustable outrigger. Now I'm going to take it from the chop saw station and I'm going to turn it into the table saw station. Now I'm going to fold down the side outrigger table, lock it in place. So when transitioning from the chop saw to the table saw, I take the table, fold it there, and then this comes out and there's a ball T10, and then there's a bar here. Everything is color coded. Everything that's gray is something that you handle and that you move. So there's a gray stripe, there's a gray bar. Pick this up and lock it in place. Then this comes back out and falls right into those holes. Then that will give me the ability to then flip the table over. And the outfeed is now at the proper height, same height as the table saw. Good to go to the next job.